and then they spin 22 seconds above 4G. And an airplane that can go up and launch a spaceship at 50,000 feet, as you might imagine, has pretty good low altitude performance. I want to point out that the crew will not use more than 50% thrust for this slow. It doesn't ever have to go to high indicated speeds, but it's able to go to high true speeds at high altitude. Here we go. From south to north, the first air show unveiling of the White Knight 2. You're just going to have to imagine what a very big spaceship will look like hung in the middle there. That's some 56 feet from boom to boom for both 4-engine airplanes.
He's got a lot steeper bank today than he had yesterday.
The gross weight of this airplane is in the 60,000 pound area, between 60 and 70,000 pounds, and it is able to carry a payload to altitude as heavy as 35,000 feet. The Spaceship 2 weighs about 35,000 pounds. Spaceship 2 weighs about 27,000 pounds. Oh yeah, the airplane, they flew here at 53,000 feet and they flew at a very low cabin altitude. This airplane has the same cabin and the same environmental control system as a spaceship. This cabin has actually been tested to 50% more than you need to certify an airliner. It's been tested up in the 37 PSI area.
Now the pilot is sitting in which boom?
He's in the right boom in the left seat. So he and the people that are in the left have absolutely the best view of a manned space launch that you could have. The co-pilot sits in the right seat. And Richard Branson is actually in the back on the left, so he can keep an eye on that left boom to make sure it stays right there.
And speaking of that, do you have any plans for the left boom?
There are several different missions for the left boom, including training for potential load factor 7G. Okay, they've got the landing gear down now. And landing gear being retracted. And I believe that right now they're having more fun than we are. Put it on a launch airplane and take off. Okay, it looks like Pete's doing a high-speed pass here, and again, he won't be going over 180 knots indicated at this point. It's probably somewhere around there. The Pratt & Whitney 308A is a modern type-certified turbofan.
We'll have a rotorcraft sweepstakes helicopter, and then the Eagle League awaited arrival.